Still a gap, a very big gap. Welcome to the Know the Difference Minute. The JOLTS report is out. Officially, JOLTS is the Bureau of Labor Statistics and Labor Turnover Survey. This is the report that stuns everyone when we learn how many open jobs exist in the United States. As of the January report, there are 11.26 million open jobs in the country. That means there's a 5 million worker gap. And it's another example of just how tight the employment picture is. Part of the JOLTS report is the quits, or the number of people leaving a job. Most of the time during what's called the Great Resignation, workers are leaving one job and heading to another for better opportunity, better work schedule, or better pay, or all three. For quits, there were 4.25 million people leaving jobs in January. That's actually a slight decline, a trend we've seen since October. So who's hiring? Manufacturing for sure. Leisure and hospitality actually off slightly by about 2%. For Dave Spano, I'm Danny Clayton from Annex Wealth Management. That is your Know the Difference Minute.